barber, and they just wouldn't do it right.
Yeah.
And so I started like watching YouTube videos, and after that, it was like night and day.
Okay. That's neat.
When did you start growing your hair out?
I had 2 years, maybe?
Okay.
Wow.
Not 2 years.
Year and a half? Year and a half?
Since the last time you got a trim?
Oh. Well, yeah, I guess I don't know.
Mine's been about 2 years.
You got the Blu-ray player for 97% off back in 2012.
That was a long time ago. I shop online now.
Looks good.
Right?
Like you said, I'll probably shower and find
Okay.
some
Yeah.
stragglers if I need to.
Yeah. Top looks good. Back looks. We can get Tyler, but I mean, you
I
look
trust
good,
you.
my man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
that.
Man, pleasure meeting
Yes,
you.
sir.